This is just a multi-directional weld. It's very similar to what we did previously. It's just we're adding points along the weld path. So, same as what we've done before. I take the handle teach icon and bring it up to the program line. From here, I will teach the robot a home point with a quick tap on the teach button. We will now bring it down slightly off the part, teach it another point, quick tap on the teach button. And now from here, I'll bring it down to where I want my weld to start, press and hold on the teach button for about 3 seconds, release. And now I'm going to trace the shape. And instead of this being a weld end like we did previously, I'm just going to tap the teach button, and that gives it a weld point. From there, we'll move out approximately to here. There again, a quick tap on the teach button. And then over here, another tap on the teach button. Finally, from here, we're going to go out to our weld end, press and hold the teach button for about 3 seconds, release, and then I will give it a retract point, teach that with a quick tap, and there our program is wrote. Remove the handle teach icon. We will go in, give it our procedure on our schedule. We go to our weld end, procedure, schedule, reset. Make sure we are at 100%. Put it into auto, press cycle start, and we'll do a dry run. There we have successfully completed our dry run. Everything looks good. We're going to enable our weld, grab our protective gear, and cycle start to weld. Our welding is complete.